The writing process, as I said before, can be challenging not only for the students but also for the teachers, because there are various parts of the writing. For example, it starts from thinking about the topic, then brainstorming about the topic, then organizing ideas and translating those ideas into an ideal text. So all these processes involve a lot of effort on the part of the students and teachers. And we as language teachers can understand the difficulties and problems of students. The more we diagnose their problems in bits and pieces, the better our students can be in terms of writing. Writing, as I said before, should be seen as a process, because it's an ongoing process, and it involves a lot of effort, a lot of brainstorming, a lot of continuous peer-to-peer feedback and feedback from the teachers, or self-correction strategies. So it consists various parts. For example, when students write introduction, we can teach them some strategies of how to signpost clearly to the readers about the different strands or ideas being presented in a particular text or task. So it consists of different parts, and it's important that we teach our students how to take charge of their own writing by self-correcting, by getting feedback from the students. And if the students become self-regulated learners, they can better work on their assignments, and they can better correct themselves. So if the assignment is poorly constructed, for example, if it doesn't contain clear introduction, middle, and conclusion, it may give or lend poor impression to the readers. So during the process, teaching them the process of writing can have various advantages. For example, the assignments or the tasks can look brilliant, and the student can present their ideas in a particular way. Pieces of writing like introduction, middle, and conclusion should not be seen in isolation. It's the ideas from the introduction go into the middle, and then from the middle is summarized in the introduction, very largely speaking. So we can make our students closely look at their written products and see how their bits and pieces are joined together. And then we can train our students to question their own writing and to question themselves as a writer. Questioning, becoming like a probing oneself can have various advantages. So questioning the writing or the yourself can be very advantageous for the students, because it allows them see clarity in the content, in the organization, in the grammatical areas, and the appropriate use of the words. So we can train them that, look, they are going to observe themselves while they are writing, while they are into different stages of their writing. So we can train them by looking at the types of information that can be gathered by looking at the written product. So diagnosing control of the parts of writing can have fruitful implications for overall writing, teaching writing, because it allows students to self-think, self-correct, and develop self-regulation of their own learning.